I am 11 years old. My birthday is on February. I am Aquarius. My hobby is playing football. My favorite subject at the school is PE. I got two tortoises. They are female and male. My tortoises eat special crown. The two tortoises live in aquarium. I clean the aquarium and feed the tortoise.
Hello, my name is Antonia. I am 11 years old. My birthday is on 20th of March. I am Piscis. My favorite subject is my favorite hobbies is playing football, and my favorite subject at the school is PE. I am a dog at home. Dog is male. Dog eating a special pencil. Dog living in a balcony. I don't clean the cake and don't with it.
Hello, my name is Ekaitz. I am 11 years old. My birthday is on the 15th of February. I am Aquarius. My hobbies is collecting coins. My favorite subject at school is music. I got a dog at home. He is a male dog. My dog eats special food. My dog lives at home and take my dog to walks.